My name is Julie Bryson, and I think I've been coming to Dr. Snow for about 4 years. And my life before Dr. Snow was hit or miss. Sometimes I was healthy, sometimes I wasn't healthy. I just thought that was me. I thought, I just have one of those bodies that just gives out on me or whatever. But I guess about 4 years ago, that's when the real problem started. I was training for lots of marathons. I like to run, I like to do CrossFit, but I was training for, I think, my 5th marathon. It was at Disney. It was really long, and I didn't realize that I was in trouble. I wasn't eating the proper way. I wasn't hydrating the proper way. I wasn't doing anything right, really. I was just running and running and running and running my body down. And we did the Disney Marathon, and it took us 7 hours. And after that, things really went downhill health-wise. I started losing weight without trying. I couldn't swallow my food very well. And I was doing someone's hair, and they said, hey, there's this guy, Dr. Snow. A lot of my friends like him. You might want to try him out. So I came, and immediately he knew exactly what was going on. It was my adrenals. They were crashing, and he gave me some supplements, and within a week, maybe 2 weeks, I started feeling better. And within, I think that was in 2017, at the end of 2017, maybe the beginning of 2018, I started coming here. And by 2019, in April, I did a full Ironman, which, if you don't know what that is, that's 2.4 mile swim, 112 mile bike ride, and a marathon at the end. And I was able to do that, and it was because of the proper eating habits that he was able to instill in me, and also all the supplements, the adjustments that he did regularly. And I've been coming to him ever since, and I won't go anywhere else.